Hello everyone, welcome back to Edward Casual channel, and today we'll be making mushroom soup. Specifically we'll be making chanterelle mushroom soup today, but you can use any other sort of mushroom that you prefer and like. And the soup tastes heavenly with a dab of creme fraiche in it, so don't forget to add it in the end. That creme fraiche adds a nice hint of creaminess that is mostly missing in the soup. And that's what makes it perfect. So in today's video I'll be giving you a tutorial how to make it, and also I'll be sharing some secret know-hows that was left by my grandmother. So be sure to continue watching this video. Stalks of dill, 2 laurel leaves, 3 allspices, chanterelle mushrooms, 2 potatoes, half an onion, celery stick, and a carrot. Also some bacon. Grate your carrot instead of slicing, that way saving some time. Also cut up your onion. Set your range on medium to high heat. Pour in some oil into a pan. While the pan is heating up, cut up your celery stick. Start by caramelizing your onions until translucent. When translucent, pour in your carrots and celery. And let it cook for a while. Pour in 1.5 liters of water into a large pot. And put the pot on high heat. Don't forget to stir your vegetable mixture once in a while. Cut one of your potatoes in half and leave one part aside. The other parts you cut it up into small chunks. Today we have around 170 grams of chanterelles, which are foraged by us in the forest. Once the vegetables are cooked through and the water is boiling, add in your vegetable mixture into the water. Add in your stalks of dill, laurel, and allspice into the pot. If you don't have any dill stalks, use fresh dill instead. Heat up your pan, and in the same pan add in your bacon bits and let it cook through. Lower the boiling temperature and add in your potatoes. And let it cook for a while so that the potatoes are cooked through. The important part is stirring your bacon bits so that it browns evenly. Five minutes after adding the potatoes, add in your chanterelles. After the bacon is properly browned, add it in too. Season the soup to taste. Grate half of your leftover potato. This raw potato puree adds thickness to the soup. This is one of those life hacks that was taught to my mom by my grandmother. Turn off the heat and remove the inedible dill stalks. Pour some of the soup into a bowl. Don't forget to serve the soup with some sour cream. It adds a nice creaminess to the soup. Bon appetit!
So thank you for watching. If you like this sort of video, do make sure to subscribe, like and comment down below. It honestly helps a lot.